Okay, welcome back. So if you would have seen the previous episode, you would have seen me do the full engine swap in my Ford Transit. But unfortunately, after now taking it for its first test run, this is where my nightmare has begun. I was not prepared for what was about to unfold.
Okay. She's going. Time to see if there's clutch. Oh, there's clutch. You beauty. Wheels are on. Oh, it's nice and light. Woo. I don't know if everything's tied down. Probably not. First steer. Second. Oh, you beauty. Turbo's there. Third gear. Now that's the best. Oh, fucking ripper. I hope someone sees me driving this down the street with no front bar and no bonnet on. Be like those people driving down the street with their fuel caps open and everyone's like, "Oh mate, your fuel cap's open. What an idiot." Fucking peak hour, what's going on? McGrath Hill, 50 zone. Yep, straight away. Mate, your engine cap's open. Cool. Well, I'm actually more worried that I didn't strap everything down. There's a full cup of yesterday's coffee just sitting on the bench behind me. Shit is falling over. Oh my god, this is nearly full. Anyone behind me? Oh, I've stalled it. Oh no. Fuck. Well, the first test drive went well. Nearly as bad as that windscreen. Okay, so it could have been the new fuel filter. We've pulled that whole mechanism off, and when we've installed the new fuel filter, it doesn't look like it's sealing. It looks like it sits in on a funny angle. So we're going back to the old filter, because that's what we had it running on. We had it running for quite a while on the old filter. We didn't touch that. Now the new filter, no good. Bloody hell. So we can't get it started on the old filter now either. We can't get it started at all now. We've reprimed all the lines, we cracked the injector lines, fed fuel into all of them. Filter's full, lines are full. Now we're flattening the battery, so come back tomorrow. I'm gonna charge the battery up. We're out of batteries, we've just drained them all. And we'll try again.
Now, unfortunately from here, we actually had no idea that the fuel was not actually the issue. We took about another week of pulling bits on and off. The fuel was fine. Now, there's a number of sensors to calibrate this engine that we didn't take into consideration. And we happened to find our crank sensor damaged, which we have replaced. And even that is causing the engine to turn off or stall. At best, we can only get this motor running now for 1 second at a time, and she carks it. So unfortunately, it is far out of our expertise from here, and it's headed off to the mechanics in South Windsor. And what's even more of a bummer is we've now found that the newer engine with only 87,000 kilometers on it has stuffed injectors, and still these electronic issues are causing the motor to turn itself off. So at the moment, my poor camper van motorhome is going nowhere. So it's off to the bank. I've got to go get some new wheels because this could take months. We might have to do a full another engine swap, or at the very least, Injectors repair the engine that we've got now.